Assalamu alaikum friends, this is me Yasir Ahmed once again from TECHN-O-BOY, and today in this video we will discuss about the difference between RAM, ROM, hard disk and SSD. What's the difference between these all components or devices? So let's start with RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is a primary memory. Okay, it's basically a volatile memory. Volatile memory means when your system or computer will be powered on, this memory, this RAM will work. When your system will be powered off, then further no any data will be saved or will keep this RAM, which indicates that it is basically a temporary memory which is used by the processor to make overall process of the computer faster. Now let's come towards ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. It's very teeny IC or teeny memory which is used by the computer during starting of the computer, which means when you turn on your system, your CPU or your laptop, so the BIOS program will determine that which booting device will be boot first. It may be hard disk, it may be USB device, it may be CD drive or DVD drive. ROM falls basically in the permanent memory category of the computer or system, because when you turned off your computer, then that program in the ROM IC or BIOS IC will remain safe in that memory, and when you turn on again your computer or your laptop or your system, then again that program will be boot by the processor and your first boot device will be work that time. Now let's discuss about the difference between the hard disk and SSD. Both the hard disk and the SSD falls in the permanent memory category of the computer, which means you can read, write the data anytime in the SSD and hard disk. When you turned off your computer, SSD and hard disk will keep the data for longer time until you delete this data. During the operations of the computer, SSD is much faster than the hard disk because hard disk used older technology of memory, while the SSD is using the latest technology of memory. If we discuss the prices of the hard disk and the SSD, so SSD is much expensive than hard disk. Microprocessor takes long time to read or write the data from the hard disk due to its older technology technique, while processor communicates with SSD much faster due to the latest technology of the memory, and the storage capacity of the SSD is much higher than the hard disk. So these were the differences between the RAM, ROM, hard disk and SSD. RAM is basically a primary memory of the computer, while ROM, hard disk and SSD falls in the category of the permanent memory of the computer. Hope you like the video. Subscribe my channel TECHN-O-BOY and share the video to spread the technical knowledge to the world. Thank you.